Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to rename your name or change your name on Strava. So if you are facing that you want to change your name since you join a club on Strava, you on the right video you just click close when you open your Strava on your phone, and then you go to you on the bottom here, and then you can click this profile over here. You can click your photos, and then you can click this edit, as simple as click edit, and then there is an option of this is my name Gani Rozaki, and then I add a suffix here. This is the code for my club, so I'm joining the tournament on my club, so I add some code verification here. So you just put on your last name or what the code is if you are joining the tournament on your club. So that's it, very simple tutorial how to rename your name or change your name. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.